Hi, Karima. My name is Stacy Napper, and I am your instructor for this course. And I am giving you some video feedback on your first assignment. First of all, you did a great job covering the 6 areas required in the assignment. The other areas that you're graded on are spelling, grammar, how easy it is to read, and formatting. I think that your formatting is fine as far as getting the points, but you may, for your final project, want to add a little bit more formatting, bold out the title, things like that. But it's certainly acceptable. And I'm not taking off any points for that. So that's just some criticism for you. Some of your word choices, I think you have some extra words in here. So some of your word choices aren't as good as they could be. So I want to share some of those with you. I'll read through this so you can see what I'm talking about. So first of all, congratulations, comma, Pat's Pizza and Bistro franchises. So is franchises part of the name? If it is, it should be capitalized, sorry. Is excited to have you on our team, a person whose qualification fits our expectations. That's awkward. So what you could do is you could put a period after team and say, you are a person whose qualifications fit our expectations. We are pleased to have a new member of Pat's Pizza family. It's kind of redundant. We will give you all of the resources necessary to make you grow as a member of our team and as a person, comma, and we are sure that your experience and hard work at our company will continue to grow as well. That would work better as 2 sentences. So, we hope you are as excited as we are to have you join our team. As we welcome you, we also feel that it's important that you have a clear understanding of our organizational operations and employee policies. So the other thing that I noticed in paragraph 3, it says Pat's Pizza and Bistro is an at-will employer. The A does not need to be capitalized there, even though it's a legal term. So like you could get rid of that if that's the case. So there's some extra phrases that you could get rid of to make it a little cleaner. But all in all, you did a great job on this assignment. Feel free to email me if you have any questions or comments. Take care.